In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically detect and show the times in your invitee's time zone in Calendly. This feature is really helpful if you work with clients, teammates, or students in different parts of the world. Instead of making them convert time zones themselves, Calendly can do the heavy lifting and display all available times in their own local time. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, open your Calendly account and head over to your event types. From there, choose the specific event you want to edit. This might be a one-on-one meeting, a discovery call, or any other event you've already created. Go ahead and select that event so you're looking at its settings page. This is where we'll make the changes. Once you're inside the event, look for an option labeled More Options. This is usually found in the area where you customize the behavior and appearance of your event. Click on More Options to expand additional settings that aren't shown by default. These advanced options give you more control over how your booking page behaves for invitees. Next, inside the More Options section, find and click on Booking Page Options. This is the area that controls what your invitees see and how the scheduling page works when they open your Calendly link. By going into Booking Page Options, you're telling Calendly that you want to adjust the experience from your invitee's point of view. Here, you should see a setting related to time zone detection or showing times in the invitee's time zone. Look for a toggle or a circle that you can click to turn this feature on. Click on that circle so it becomes enabled. When this is active, Calendly will automatically detect your invitee's time zone based on their browser or device and display all available slots in their local time. After you've turned this setting on, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, usually at the bottom or top right of the settings panel, and click it. This step is important. If you don't save, your new setting won't apply to your event. From now on, when someone opens that event's booking link, they'll see the times adjusted to their own time zone, reducing confusion and helping you avoid missed or rescheduled meetings.